Selam.
With you guys or do scripts. You're going to see a bunch of different options here that looks very similar to as if you were uploading a normal video on YouTube. We're going to be able to toggle event, okay? If you're available here, you're going to live stream on YouTube. The one thing you may want to check would be your category. If you're a vlogger or you're doing a gaming stream, you may want to change that over here under category. And then the last thing here is monetization. Honestly, even if you're a partner and have monetization enabled, the way streaming works, you know, and if you're playing a video game or if you're showing stuff on stream, you are at high risk of getting a copyright claim or strike on your account directly from a stream. You never know what's going to happen in a stream, so I would not recommend monetizing unless you just know for certain that you're not going to be playing or showing anything that could be, you know, picked up by the YouTube bots that go ahead and go out and see what is or isn't a copyright strike or claim. And then once you're done here under your basic info, go to the blue button that says create the different things to go ahead and adjust your stream. This is open, and that's going to apply there. Always go or whatever it may be. The stream name, this is going to be your stream key here, okay? That's going to be a single-use stream key. If we go to reusable stream key, this is going to be a stream key right here that you can use over and over again. Now the stream name, they're just giving it a name. This is going to be the key here. So if you go to single-use stream key, go to stream name, select this, go to copy, and then go back over to Streamlabs and go to settings like we did earlier, go to stream, and then under stream key, Command or Control V or right-click paste. That way you can put your new stream key right here in your software. Now, once you're ready, you can hit go live to preview just like we did on the live now option, okay? That's where you do all of that fun stuff. Now, if we go to ingestion settings after we've saved our settings here, make sure you're saving all of your changes here. It's going to be very critical that you do so, okay? So once we're done here and we have everything the way that we want it to be, okay, we can go up here and go to cards, or we can go here to where you see live control room. So under live control room, once you go live, once you hit live on your Streamlabs OBS or OBS, you're going to see the preview here. If you haven't hit go live on your stream software yet, you will not receive anything, and it will say we are not receiving any data from your encoder. So you may need to go over to your ingestion settings back to where we were just at and make sure that your stream key is indeed set the way that it should be. But when you're ready to go live and it is come time for you to, you know, go live on your scheduled event, or at that time you need to stream, you can go ahead, go over to Streamlabs OBS or whatever you're using to stream and hit the go live button once more. But remember, when you hit go live there, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going live over on YouTube, okay? It just gives you the preview button available here. So if we click preview, it says, are you sure you want to preview this event? You click OK, and then you wait for a few minutes or a few seconds. It'll prepare the stream. It'll let you know the status of the stream, and then it'll give you a blue start streaming button once everything checks out and once everything is the way that it should be. Now, I am getting some errors here because I'm recording something separately, but as you can see now, I am ready to go live. I am ready to hit start streaming. But remember, you've got to go to your streaming software first, go there, and you're ready to go. And under preview here, if we hit play, it's actually going to show you exactly what's being fed. As you can see here, here's what my software is feeding to YouTube right here. Now, if you want to delete an event, and you know, I'm going to go ahead and go to Streamlabs OBS. I'm going to go to end stream because I don't want this to confuse itself, and I don't want to accidentally go live. Basically, what you do is, if you want to see what this looks like over on YouTube, what viewers are going to see, we can click the view on watch page, and it's going to take you to an exact replica of what they're seeing. As you can see here, no one is here, and nothing's happening here because I ended the stream over on Streamlabs. But if you want to see the way that looks, you can see that here. But if we go back over to live events and we refresh the page, you're going to see now that you have a live stream.
Hard dice are